Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is MyLifeAsLoveline. So today we're going to be making a very simple recipe of coconut flakes or chips, depending on how you want to call it. It's very easy. When I say it's easy, I mean it's really easy. You can actually close your eyes and you will pull through this process to the end and your results will be amazing. So first, get a healthy coconut like this. And the next thing, break open and separate the endosperm from the outer part, which is the hard shell. Be careful with your hands, guys. You can use as many coconuts as you want, depending on the quantity you want to achieve. Guys, this is one of the best snacks you could ever make. Try this and thank me later. So we have everything deshelled. The next thing is to wash this up and move on to the next thing. I'm back, guys. Everything has been well cleaned. So the next thing is to make thin chips out of a slicer like this or this. Watch what I'm doing carefully, guys. This is how you hold your hand slicer at this angle, and then you gently lift up the coconut endosperm. So I'll do this for the rest of the coconut and I'll see you later. So guys, this is what we actually obtained at the end. So the next thing is to add a pinch of salt or salt according to your taste. So I'll be adding this quantity. Instead of adding just salt, guys, you could actually make different flavors. You could actually make coconut chips with vanilla, coconut chips with cacao, coconut chips with cinnamon, and any other flavor of your choice. You're good to go. So the next thing is to mix this up. So I'll just like flip this around in this manner. The next thing is to send this to the oven. We're going to line our oven tray with a parchment paper, put this on it, and bake this for approximately 15 to 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius or until the edges of the chips start turning brown. So this is our tray. Line it up with a parchment paper like this. Transfer your chips onto the parchment paper. Spread everything out. Adding sugar takes the taste to another level, but you know, if you're watching out for your health, you wouldn't do that. And remember, I added just a pinch of salt. Coconut is already good on its own. Bake this for 15 to 20 minutes in the oven, and you can also preheat your oven before baking. See you later. So guys, this is what we got straight out of the oven. So the next thing is to keep this to cool down for 3 to 5 minutes before you devour them. Note that these coconut curls or chips or flakes can also be used to decorate cakes. So guys, thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next video. Love and light your way. Bye bye.